Hey Quirky Club, what's going on? I am currently about to do the photo shoot for one of the outfits in the series of photo shoots I'm doing of outfits that will be matching the recipe photos from my book. So here I am on the street. We found this door we thought was cool that matched a part of the brownie shot. So I've got my helper. Hi Connor. I also just want to clarify that I'm not trying to be like matchy-matchy with these outfits. The outfits are inspired by recipe photos from my book, Cheese, Wine, and Bread, out April 27th. Order it now. I'm not trying to be too matchy-matchy, but it's really fun. And then I'm going to be posting these photos on my Instagram account every day of launch week. And Quirky Club, you are the reason I was able to buy new clothes for these shoots. Thank you so much. I hope you like the outfits I put together. Let's go. That is one shoot down. 4 more to go.